See what I deal with every day in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Sup YouTube, this Elijah here, coming at you with another video from the applifestyle.org, your one-stop shop for all things rideshare and delivery alike. And this video is going to be the start of a series that really needs to be done. A lot of times we encounter scenarios with Uber Eats where we're not sure what to do unless we have experience. So why not just have videos that you guys can refer to, especially for you beginners. So this will be the first video in the what if scenario, I'll call it a playlist, or what if series of Uber Eats. Starting it out, what do you do if a restaurant doesn't have an item that the customer ordered, and then when you get there they tell you they don't have such and such, etc. A few things will happen, and there's a few things you can do, but I'm going to show you how to deal with it in the most efficient and fast way possible. Now, they'll probably ask, can you contact the customer and let them know? Now, you and I both know you can't contact the customer until you start the trip. You don't want to do that, because then you're kind of shoehorning to doing the trip, and you don't ever want to be put in that position. You always want to have the option to cancel if necessary. So don't do that. You can call support, and then they can contact the customer, and then they'll handle it. But that could take 5 or 10 minutes, and being honest, we don't have that kind of time. So the most efficient way is to let the restaurant know that you can't communicate with the customer. And if it's a huge deal, go ahead and call support. But if it's a smaller deal, tell them to explain the situation in a note and put that inside the package. That way, if there's any issue with the restaurant from the customer's perspective, they know it was the restaurant's fault and you're not in the blame in any way possible. At the same time, you can go ahead and move on efficiently to your next delivery, because you don't want to spend too much time here, because we're supposed to just go in and pick the food up. That's the beauty of Uber Eats, and it's supposed to remain relatively simple. That's how you keep it simple. So that does it for this video. If y'all have any questions or comments or experiences, put them below. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. If y'all want to see more of this what if series, be sure to leave your comments below. This is Elijah. Until the next time, peace out.